Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. You guys, in this video, I'll be doing this makeup right here using the Tati Beauty Volume 1 makeup palette. So I got my hair pulled back just so it's kind of like out of my face, and just like, you know, when I'm doing makeup, I don't like my hair being all over my face. So got my hair pulled back. The first thing I'm going to do, you guys, is try this little sample I got. It's the BECCA First Light Priming Filter. Just a small little sample. So if you guys can see, it is like a purple color. I'm just going to rub this right on my face. So while that's settling in, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. You guys know how I do my brows, what brow product I've been using currently. But if you don't, I'm just going to list everything down below in the description box. That way you can follow along. But for now, I'm just going to kind of skip over the brow portion of this video because you guys know how I do my brows. So my brows are complete, and now I'm going ahead and putting on some Bare Minerals Bare Skin Complete Coverage Serum Concealer. Now this concealer has serum in it, obviously, I just said that. And the shade is more close to my skin color. Instead of me choosing like a shade that's lighter, sometimes I like to pick shades that are close to my skin color because I kind of use it as somewhat like a foundation instead of, you know, really using a foundation. And if you're curious, this one is medium golden. So place that on my face and then just take your favorite brush and blend that all out. So now to make sure all that stuff is nice and set, I'm taking my Urban Decay waterproof setting powder. This is a really nice powder, you guys, and I'm going to just dip in my e.l.f. brush. This is the e.l.f. brush, and it's their powder brush. Freaking love this brush, and e.l.f. is such an amazing brand, you guys, because number one, affordability. We all love anything that's affordable. And number two, quality. They have nice, good, amazing quality makeup and brushes, of course. So place that all over to set what we just placed on before. Now, next step, I want to go ahead and do my bronzer. This is nothing new, you guys. I've been using this time and time again. And of course, if you look at the pan, I've hit pan. This is an amazing product. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. So I'm going to take one of my Morphe brushes, looks like this, and dip that in and place that where I want to kind of bronze up my face. And I forgot who I learned this trick from, but it was like a beauty YouTuber. I can't remember who it was, but they told me, or not told me, but when I was watching their video, a tip or a trick that they talked about was when you place on your bronzer, you can go ahead and just kind of tap it in initially, and then after you're done tapping it in, just buff it out, because that does a much better job on its application. So, and I seem to really like that. So yeah, tap it in first, and then when you're ready, buff it out, and that will do the trick. The next item I'm going to use is for my blush, and that is Tarte Blissful. This is their Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. Looks like there's more to it, but it's a completely different language. So yeah, I'm using the Tarte blush, and this stuff is amazing, and I got this, you guys, on a good deal, as in, like, you know, the Ulta Beauty 21-day sale. That is when I bought this, and I am loving it. So glad I got it on sale, because who doesn't love to save some money? I don't know about you guys, but I do. Alright, and I always love putting a little bit of blush right on top of my nose. I know that's not, you know, trendy for some people, but to me that's like, I feel like it's always a must. It's just, it makes your face look nice and young, and just, I love it. I don't even have to have a reason, I just like it, alright? So I do it. Anyways, next part after my blush, what I like to do is do my highlighter. So today for my highlighter, you guys, I'm going to use the Dose of Color DESI x KATY FUEGO. And this is, I want to say, a very, very popular highlighter in my collection. I mean, look at this. Can you see it? I've hit pan. And I've hit pan big time. So there's that. I'm kind of sad this is slowly disappearing, but at the same time, I don't know about you guys, but whenever I hit pan in any of my makeup, I'm kind of proud of myself, because granted, I don't have like a ton of makeup like those really big time beauty makeup gurus, but I do want to say I have a pretty decent amount of makeup in my collection, just because, I mean, if it's not obvious, I freaking love makeup. It's just fun to play with, a great way to express yourself, all that good stuff. But anyways, when I hit pan, I'm proud of myself, considering how much makeup I have. Yeah, it's just a proud moment for me. Alright, so I put my highlighter on. Oh, and the brush I use is another Morphe brush. Just place that on, doop doop doop, anywhere you want to glow. I mean, honestly, I want to glow all over my body, but you know, I might scare some people away. So alright, so my highlighter is on. So I feel like my face is pretty much done, but before I forget, I do want to put a little bit of lip moisturizer. Today I'm going to use the Beauty Treats Lip Care. This has hydrating lip care, natural extracts, moisturizing vitamin E. Is their jojoba. Place that right on my lips. Alright, so my face is pretty much done. Now here is the part, I'm not sure about you guys, but what I've been waiting for. The eyes. And you guys, if you watch any of my, you know, Instagram stories, which by the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram and Twitter, of course, maybe even Snapchat, I don't really use that too often, or if ever, but if you want to follow me, maybe I'll post something. Anyway, if you want to follow me on any of my social media, you can type in @guacamole21 or just scroll down description box. I put all the links there for your convenience. Click away, add me as a friend, you know, good, all that good stuff. Alright, so yeah, my eyes, you guys, I've been obsessed, and I feel like I haven't had this long enough to really be obsessed with this palette. But you guys, I'm not even kidding, I've already, like, you know, it's not even like a clean looking palette anymore. I mean, I've used it up. Not used it up, but I've been using it every day. Honestly, ever since I got it, been using this every single day. This is like my makeup Bible. It's like, it has every shade I need for, honestly, any type of occasion. This makeup, I mean, first of all, this color, all these colors, you can wear it every single day. Every day. Church, good for you. School, perfect. Work, great. A night out with your boyfriend, girlfriend, excellent. What else? With your girlfriends, just hanging out, casual night, everything. Honestly, everything. So, today, you guys, is a Saturday. I do have a bunch of errands to run. And errands to run, perfect palette. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put some of this Tati Beauty makeup on my eyes. And I've talked about this in my other video when I was like kind of talking about this palette. And I've talked about how amazing this mirror is. This mirror I have right here, this white one, is from the Dollar Tree. It's still a nice mirror. It's great. You can see yourself, a great reflection. But this one right here, I mean, it's like, I don't know how to explain it, you guys. It's honestly day and night. I mean, you can still buy the Dollar Tree one. I love it. It's great. It's perfect. It does what it's supposed to do. It reflects yourself. It's perfect. But I mean, if I'm comparing the Tati Beauty one, I don't know what it is, but it's just, my reflection is so much more crisp. It's clear. It's, yeah. Anyways, this is not even you know, the point of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and do my eyes. So I'm gonna use the DS03 Blend and Shade brush. You guys, I've been obviously obsessed with the Dominique Cosmetics brushes. They are amazing. Been using them honestly every single day. I'm diving into Matte Soothe, and then I'm gonna place it just right all over my lid. So now, taking that same brush, I'm gonna dive into Poet. I'm gonna stay on the outer corner and just kind of focus it right there, just on the outer corner. So now, picking up my Dominique Cosmetics DS04 brush, I am going to dive into the shade Story and focus it on the inner half of my eyelid. So now, here's the fun part, you guys. Time for some glitter, my favorite part. So let's see, for this eye look, I think the best glitter to go with it, I want to have it nice and kind of like pop out a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with the let's see, I guess Soothe. So the glitter Soothe shade. And for glitter, you guys, in my opinion, I think it's best to use your fingers. There are brushes out there that can help, but personally, I like use my fingers. So after I have my glitter placed on my finger, instead of like rubbing it down like you're doing a swatch, what I like to do is just tap it in and place it where I want it to be. So I just tap, tap, no like rubbing or swatching, and tap it where you want to place the glitter. And for me, that is just pretty much spread around the center of my eyelid. This look is like, looks like it's perfect for the holidays. Alright, so center of my eyelid, just tap, 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 tap. So I went ahead and did my eyeliner because, you know, just did that regular, usual cat liner that I like to do. If you're curious, I use the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Eyeliner. Great, great eyeliner. So now, I'm going to use another new makeup product. Well, let me backtrack. It's not new, but it's new because I haven't opened it. So, this is a little mini sample that I got. It's the Lancome Paris Monseur. Apologies if I am mispronouncing it, but it's the Lancome mascara. Mascara Grand Volume, big volume mascara, 12 times more volume plus day volume. Blah blah blah. Alright, so here is a little sample that I got. Super tiny, but still mascara nonetheless. I really like this little tiny package though. This is like the perfect travel size, honestly. Like weekend getaway or sleepover night, whatever. So, open this up and I'm gonna safely assume the real, you know, mascara, the real size mascara of this is what the bristle looks like, you know what I mean? So let's go ahead and try this out. So the type of lashes that I have is sad Asian lashes. I feel like with mascaras, yeah, you can tell by the first impression, but for me personally, I have to use it at least a couple of days because there are times where when I first use it, I don't like it, but then like after trying it out for like a few days, I mean, I end up changing my mind. I'm like, oh, because I learned like different tricks and tips on how to use different makeup products. And yeah, I mean, every day I get better at it. So right now, so far, I do like this. And I kind of like, I know I get it because it's like a mini version. It's like, you know, tinier. But I kind of like that because it's giving me more control over how I place on this mascara. I will say be careful when you're placing on this mascara. I kind of like opened my eyes a little too big or too far up or whatever, and I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not, but you know, the mascara transferred up onto my eyelid. So there are some mascara on my eyelid, but I'll just clean that up. But just letting you know. And you guys, just letting you know, it does look like a squeeze tube bottle, but you can't squeeze it. It's just, the packaging is designed to look like a squeeze bottle, but really it's just a tube inside, so there's no squeezing this. It's hard, okay? So if you're curious about that. So now I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Total Face Brush, nothing on it, just kind of brush off whatever, like, I guess fallouts or, you know, just kind of like dusting off my face just very lightly. So everything is nice and cleaned up. For my lips, you guys, I'm taking my Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss and placing that on my lips. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my face using my MAC Fix Plus. Alright you guys, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and click that like button down below. And of course, if you haven't already joined the Kwak fam, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button right below this video or on your mobile phone, however you're watching this video. Click on that red button, make it a gray button, and join the Kwak fam, and click on that notification bell, because I upload videos at least twice a week, sometimes more if I feel like it, just depending on my mood, my feelings, all that good stuff. But I do post videos at least twice a week. If you don't want to miss out, you guys, go ahead and click on the notification bell. And you guys, there will be a giveaway coming up, so I mean, if you're curious about the giveaway and you kind of want to enter, you want to win a chance to win a giveaway, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, you know, whatever. All that good rules, all that good stuff will be listed down below. The rules will be listed down below in the description box, so scroll down, check out the rules. And what else? Oh, and the giveaway is for US only, by the way. I have to put that in. Ooh, forgot to put that in. Yes, giveaway is for US only. So there is that. Alright, so, yeah. I think that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was basically a makeup look, pretty much focusing on the Tati Beauty makeup palette. I freaking love the palette. I think it's amazing. You guys should go get one. I'm not sure if they restocked or not, but I know they sold out, which is, bravo, amazing for Tati Westbrook. But yeah, anyways, the makeup look is amazing. You know, I know, we all know I love glitter, shimmer, and anything neutral. This is just all that encompassed in one. So there's that. Alright, here's the makeup look. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I will talk to you next time. Bye!